Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a Triumph TR5 steering wheel. I think it's the same as a GT6 of the sort of late 1960s, probably about 69, I'd guess, 68, something like that. And as you can see, the leather's damaged there, and the inner rubber core has a degree of damage, perhaps fire damage, I'd guess. We're going to have to tidy this up before we recover it. And you can see this horn pad, which these are quite rare items. It's got quite a lot of damage on it as well. You can see the ends are substantially damaged, and it's got a big piece missing out of it there, as well as cracks around here. We'll recover these legs here with leather and probably re-vinyl coat the middle, but there we are, it's a Triumph TR5.